Found this morning when I went to messages. Look right here, more inboxes. And it's got a little dot beside it. It doesn't have an icon, but it just says more inboxes. And I hit the down arrow, and I got my business page that has an inbox. And there's one new message there. And I also have my my Sales Navigator inbox that because I use Sales Navigator. Pretty interesting. Now, what happened if I go to that? So look what it did. Beth Granger sent me a message as we're testing, and I see it. So I'm gonna reply back to Beth and hit send, and it sent it to her. Not sure why it beeped just now. Don't get that, but I gotta figure out the beep me part. But anyway, I'm gonna go back to IM. I'm gonna go to messaging, and I have more inboxes. There's nothing with mail, and hit the down arrow, and there's Burriss Consulting. There's Sales Navigator. The newest change to LinkedIn messaging.